Welcome back out to the shop. My name is Mark. This is the Malarkey Taylor channel, and I'm so glad to have you guys. Little quick update. Just the other day I saw that we passed 1,500 subscribers, which is not very much in the grand scheme of YouTube, but it is a lot for people who want to stop into my shop. You know, that is pretty cool to have that many people hit the subscribe button, and I thank each and every one of you guys. Probably I don't know. I'm really glad to have that. I know a lot of people have come from the Betsy Ross Jeep project, and it is still underway. We are getting it ready to get inspected, but Mara just graduated high school, and we had a big party for her, and this is put it to the side while we were getting cleaned up and ready to go, and then we had some other projects come up. But we're getting back to it. The next couple of days I'm going to fix the clock spring. So that's the steering wheel there and other parts and the interior. Oh, and that's the headliner that needs to go back in. We're almost ready to put that back in now. So, but anyway, that's what we're working on now. And tonight, actually working on that. That's my dad's motorhome. We're putting electric brakes in it and getting him ready to go on a trip to Alaska. So a lot going on, but not filming any of that stuff because I don't have the time. I'm just trying to get it done and out of my way, and because I don't know that it would be all that interesting for you guys. But that's an explanation as to why Betsy Ross is it's been a couple weeks since I put you a video, but most of that was because of the graduation and work. But anyway, I just wanted to give a quick update and thank everybody that has subscribed and watched the videos. I know a lot of my family watches, which is the big part of why I do the YouTube videos, and I know there's a lot of other friends that have come along as well. Speaking of Dad, he's here, so I got to get to work.
Who's that?
This is YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Well, that's it for now. We'll see you guys later.